Hello friends, welcome to RReduVids, a place to rewire your brains. Finance is a term which most of us use synonymous to the term money. However, there is a huge difference between the two terms. Finance is much broader in scope when compared to the term money. Money is a legal and acceptable tender or exchange which is used for settlement of transactions by the organizations in modern world. But finance is all about asset allocation and monetary management. Finance is in fact considered to be the lifeblood of any organization. There are three types of finances. One, personal finance, two, public finance, and thirdly, corporate finance. Personal finance is all about managing the individual's monetary resources. Public finance involves government allocating their resources to different sectors of economy at local, state, and national levels in a country. Corporate finance covers all the financial activities related to running an organization. Thank you viewers for watching RReduVids. For more such informative material, please like, share and subscribe to RReduVids. Namaste.